And I'm Lars Bildsten. It's great to have you with us here for the conference. I know I think the last bus is coming, but only one person's on the bus, so I figured I'd go ahead and start. I always like to ask, for how many of you is this conference your first time at the KITP? Raise your hand high. Is there anybody who's been here before? Sorry. Okay. Okay, great. I always ask that question because I really want to talk a little bit about what is the KITP? How do we operate? Why are you here? How did you get here? You think you know, but you might not. We run long programs as our prime goal, programs 8 to 10 weeks. Those programs come to us via you, the community, giving us ideas. By us, I mean those of us here, plus our advisory board. We take those ideas, we develop them, we change them, sometimes we accept them as they arrive. But that is really how the Institute operates. We're right now wrapping up planning for 2024-2025. That academic year is what's right now being planned, calendared out. And so we'll take ideas and proposals for the following year starting in the fall. So if you have ideas of programs you'd like to run or think about, please feel free to talk to me. I'll be around sort of at the breaks and lunches, maybe not much of the conference because I've got a busy week, but also Riza's here. And Riza is a former board member, so Riza can explain it. I'm seeing if there's anyone else. No, and Mark Bowick is away this week. So talk to Riza or myself if you have questions about that process. It is a development process. It's very different than just putting in a proposal and a review. It's something we really work with the community to achieve. So please do think about that. We obviously don't want to do the same thing next year that we just did. So there is sometimes need to wait patiently for your time to come. But I do want to encourage all of you to think about that. All the activities here, this activity and others, are funded by the National Science Foundation. That's our major funder for the operations here at the KITP. I really want to thank the coordinators for all their work. For this conference, it's Peter. Who's, okay, so I was looking around. Francisco, yeah, he's in the far back, good, thank you, Francisco. Shirley, I didn't see Shirley. And Blakesley's here. There's Blakesley. And then, of course, for the program, Chitsa has been doing a lot of hard work. So thanks, everybody. Round of applause, please. Everything we do here, we really want time for discussions. So you'll see on the calendar that these talks are 20 minutes plus 10 minutes for discussion. And your session chairs will be good at enforcing that. So you've got some things to wave at people. So, and please do respect that. But also, because everything's being recorded and on Zoom, you'll need to use the microphones. So they'll either be runners helping, so it's not just one of you trying to get to the microphones for those questions. Everything we do here at the Institute is always been recorded. We've got about 25,000 talks online. If you're a speaker, you should have received instructions. If you want something embargoed, we can do that, but you should have received those instructions. But the time for discussions is very important to how we operate here, and those of you who've been here before understand that. Nothing would happen without our fantastic staff, so I really want to start by thanking Claudia, who's our conference coordinator. Thank you, Claudia. If you're bringing someone to dinner that we don't know about, please let Claudia know so that she can modify the head count and collect the extra fee. And Craig Kunamoto, who's IT extraordinaire. Thank you, Craig. EduRoam is available. If you don't have EduRoam and need to get onto our Wi-Fi network, just ask Craig. I think we've taken it off. The password got changed, but we had the same password for about 20 years. So, and also, I really want to thank Alina, who I know is out there. There she is, KITP Alina, who's been stalwart on ensuring that the Zoom access for all of our hybrid activities there. So thank you, Alina. Round of applause for Alina. She's not going to come on. Our code of conduct is stated outside. It's also in your packet, but it's really what you would expect, which is let's ensure that everybody has an opportunity to share their wisdom with all of us, independent of any bad behavior. So we look forward to having a great show. Please wear your name tag. There is another program here that just arrived yesterday, and they will think that all of the food in the courtyard is for them. because, as a welcome gift, but it's not, it's for you. So please wear your name tag. And so for those of you, I guess most of you are new, all of the breaks will be in the courtyard, the breaks, the lunches, and the dinners that we have. And the dinners are, I'm looking at Claudia, Wednesday and Thursday, I'm assuming, given our normal rhythm. So no dinner tonight, the vans will be leaving, and hopefully the weather will clear before the end of the week. I think that's about all I've got, so I really want to go ahead and hand this over to Natalie, and she can get us rolling.
Thanks, Lars. So, hi, everyone. It's a pleasure to have everyone here. For me, it's more special because it's my first time in California, and, well, the weather is not so nice as I was expecting, but that's it. Thanks, and it's a pleasure to receive John right now, and thanks for having me here. Go ahead.